إبراهيم خالد الله اسمع الغاب هو علم علي خلق الله فنكن ما أخليه بستبت على الجود ما كان يكله الله أكبر
Where are you? I'm here. BRS.
तेरी बेबिया कोई चिंता नहीं जेड़ा बंब सुटना दूजा बल्लिए तेरा बापू वाले देता नहीं जेड़ा चौक विच खड़े नूं ही चक लू तेरा भाईया देता नहीं तेरा दा कोई घर
C'est play. Correct, c'est moi.
ਰੌਂਦ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਤੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਮੂਰੇ ਠੱਲਦੇ ਨੀ ਅਗਲਾ ਕਮਾਣ ਤੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਲਾਇਸੈਂਸ ਤੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਦਾ ਨੀ ਆਖਦੀ ਸ਼ਮੀਰ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਲ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਲਾਇਸੈਂਸ ਤੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਦਾ ਨੀ ਆਖਦੀ ਸ਼ਮੀਰ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਏ ਯਾਰੀ ਛੋਲਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਵੱਢਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹਟਿਆ ਬਸ਼ੱਕ ਛੱਡਦੀ ਉਹ ਮੋੜ ਦੂਰ ਕਾਨੇ ਮੁੱਲ ਤੇਰੀ ਤੋੜਦਾ ਮੋੜ ਦੂਰ ਕਾਨੇ ਮੁੱਲ ਤੇਰੀ ਤੋੜਦਾ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬਾਜ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਤੇਜ਼ ਦੱਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਮੂਰੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਖੰਗ ਜਾਊ 1 ਕਰੋੜ ਦਾ ਤੇ 70 ਦਾ ਟੱਕ ਦੱਸ ਪੈਸਾ ਫੇਰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕੱਟ ਜਾਊ ਸੁਰਗਾਂ 'ਚ ਪੈਰ ਹੁਣ ਪੈ ਗਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖੀ ਰੱਬ ਬਿਨਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਲਾਊ ਥੱਲੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਰੇਂਜ ਅੱਖ ਬਾਜ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਤੇਜ਼ ਦੱਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਮੂਰੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਖੰਗ ਜਾਊ 1 ਕਰੋੜ ਦਾ ਤੇ 70 ਦਾ ਟੱਕ ਦੱਸ ਪੈਸਾ ਫੇਰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕੱਟ ਜਾਊ ਜਦੋਂ ਚੁੱਲ੍ਹੇ ਤੇ ਬਾਲ ਪਈਆਂ ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਪਕਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਕਹੇਗੀ ਕਿ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਚ ਰਸ ਗਈ ਚੁੱਲ੍ਹੇ ਤੇ ਬਾਲ ਪਈਆਂ ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਪਕਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਕਹੇਗੀ ਕਿ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਚ ਰਸ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਲਾਓ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਝੂਲੇ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਫਸ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਲਾਓ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਝੂਲੇ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਫਸ ਗਈ ਵੱਡੀ ਆਸ਼ਾ
Fuck, I ran out of bullets, man. Oh, fuck. Game over!
यारी मेरी बन की सवाल मुझदा नी सवाल मुझदा देसी मदा भुलेखा पवे मेरी गुत्तदा हाय मेरी गुत्तदा बुरा हाल होया नी जट्टां दे पुत्तदा नी जट्टां दे पुत्तदा
What? It's alright, just come on.
Time to put the pipe up and let that real shit provoke. See you so wanna be low, can you get smoked? And I hope that your fans understand when you talk about spraying me. The same records that you're making is spraying me. Motherfuck Dre, motherfuck Snoop, motherfuck Death Row. Yo, and here comes my left blow, 'cause I'm the E-A-Z-Y-E. And this is the season to let the real motherfucking G's in. You're like a kid, you found a puppy, now you're dapper. Tell me where the fuck you found the anorexic rapper. Talking about who you gon' squabble with and who you shoot. You're only 60 pounds when you're wearing boots.
Damn, E, they tried to fade you on Dre Day.
But Dre Day only make easy payday. All of a sudden, Dr. Dre is the G thing. But on his own album covers, he was a she thing. So nigga, please don't step to these motherfucking real G's.
Every day it's a new rapper, claiming to be dapper than the Dre-ster. Sober than a bitch, but betray the role of gangster. Ain't broke a law in your life. And every time you rap, you yap about the guns and knife. You take a good look at the nigga and you capture the fact that the master is simply just an actor. The master, the bang and the slang and the mental of niggas in content. Watch the sound syndrome. Never ever once have you ran with the turf. But yet in every verse claim you used to do the dirt. But tell me who's a witness to your fucking work. See, you never handle business, so say the drama jerk. Niggas straight kill me, knowing that they breached us. This is going out to your studio gangsters. See, I did dirt, put in work, and many niggas get backed up. So since I got stripes, I got the right to rap about that. But niggas like you, I kinda hate you, 'cause I'm just tired of suburban niggas talking about they come from projects. Knowing you ain't seen no parts of the streets, G. Think you started trying to bang around the top of the beach, streety. Wearing khakis in my while you rhyme, little thing, try to sing, but you're flooding at the same time. And your set don't accept you. Scared to kick it with your homies, 'cause you know they don't respect you. So nigga, please check nuts before you step to these motherfucking real.
Good job.
Well, it's the knockout definition, original baby gangster. Approach me like you horn, motherfucker. I'm a banger.
C'est pas ça, c'est que man.
Stay in your place and don't step the real motherfucking cheese.
No, jag tycker han har skärpa på sin förra fight i sista tiden.
Boy, you should have known by now. Easy dope.
Saw him dancing there by the record machine. I knew he must have been about 17. He was strong, playing my favorite song. And I could tell it wouldn't be long that he was with me, yeah me. And I could tell it wouldn't be long that he was with me, yeah me. Singing, I love rock and roll. Spending all the time in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. Spending all the time and dance with me. Smiled so I got up and asked for his name. That don't matter, he said, 'cause it's all the same. I said, can I take you home where we can be alone? Next we were moving on, it was with me, yeah me. Next we were moving on, it was with me, yeah me. Singing, I love rock and roll. Spending all the time in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So take your time and dance with me. Where we can be alone. Next we're moving on. With me, yeah me. And we'll be moving on and singing that same old song. Yeah, with me, singing. I love rock and roll. So put another time in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with me. I love rock and roll. So put another time in the jukebox, baby.
Dice más así la jorea, ¿no? Oye, ok, ¿eh? Está plagando, ¿no? Está plagando. ¿Sí que?